Hi, welcome along everyone today. So, had a little problem sent to me by one of my subscribers out there. Had a radiator problem. Well, it wasn't so much a problem with his radiator, but more with the valves. When he tried to turn them, or even when just running after a while, they started banging the actual rad valve itself. So, he sent me a little video of the problem, and I'll show you that now so you can see what you think. So here we go with the noise. Right noise, eh? That's a winner. I love that noise. Lovely noise. Kind of like it really. Good sound effects. So what was the problem? Okay, well the problem was that thermostatic radiator valve is on the wrong way round. It's on the return to the heat instead of the flow. So the flow into the radiator is where most thermostatic rad valves are put. Now, because it's an older type of valve, they had to be on the flow. Whatever happened, if you put it on the return, then that banging and everything would start to occur. So nowadays we've gotten around that. I'll show you this. Okay, here we have it. So here's a Honeywell valve, and as you can see, reversible flow, which means as there's the body of the valve there, there's a double arrow there, you can see it. It does mean now that it can go on the return or the flow. It doesn't matter now. Kind of the radiator valve manufacturers have caught up and realised this can happen. So usually we always try to stick to putting them on the flow, but it's not so desperate a thing like it was. So easy answer. Chap said to me that he could actually reverse the valves very easily, which was the answer, just to take the one off that is on the return and put it on the flow and drop the lock shield valve at the other end on the other end. So you kind of reversed the pipes. So it's not too bad, but easiest thing to do of all really is just to fit a new one of these valves, okay, because it can go straight back on. Just take the old one off and stick a new one on. Say most of them today are reversible. They can go on the flow or return. So fairly simple answer to that problem. But if you find, as say, that you get that kind of noise from a valve, no matter what or where in the house, it could well be that it's reversed. I was also asked, how do I know which is the flow and which is the return? That's quite simple to do as well if you're not sure. Turn the heating on from cold and put your hand on what you think might be the flow, then drop to the other side, the return. Whichever one, it could be either way round, we don't know, do we? But as it's heating up, you'll find one of the pipes gets hotter quicker than the other one. The one that gets the hottest, the fastest, is the flow. Okay, and the one that is obviously not so hot is the return, in case you need to know. Okay, and then you will know, obviously, if the valve's banging, they're definitely on the wrong way round.
That's the way.